Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an exciting project. I'm going to repair my cycle. I bought this bike from a senior and it's been sitting unused for quite a while. Now that I have some time, let's get down to fixing it up. The main issue with this cycle is the seat. It's been broken since I got it. So I decided to order a new one from Lazada. After patiently waiting for 4 days, the package has finally arrived and it's time to unbox it. Let's dive in. Along with the seat, I've also ordered a few essential accessories for my cycle. First up, we have a pump. It's lightweight, comfortable, and fits perfectly in my bag. The quality is impressive. Now, here's our new seat. It's not too shabby, considering the price I paid for it. Quality-wise, it's decent. I also picked up a cushion cover for added comfort. But wait, there's more. I got a bell. It looks great and has a nice crisp sound. And of course, a lock and key for my cycle, complete with a convenient lock holder that I can attach to my bike itself. No more delays, let's start the repairs. First, I'll fit the new seat. The lock and the lock holder. Then, we'll add the bell, finally the seat cover. And there you have it. My cycle is almost good as new. Thanks for joining me on this repair adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for the next one. Until then, happy cycling.